The Camp Adventure Tower, located in the historic Gisselfeld Klosters Forest on South Zealand, Denmark, is a remarkable example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly blends with its natural surroundings. Designed by the Danish architecture studio EFFEKT in collaboration with engineering firm Arup, the tower stands 45 meters tall and offers visitors a unique treetop experience. Its construction began in May 2018 and was completed in March 2019, marking a significant achievement in sustainable and innovative design. The tower is part of the larger Camp Adventure Park, which includes treetop climbing, zip lines, and a 900-meter elevated boardwalk that winds through the forest. The boardwalk, designed to minimize environmental impact, zigzags between trees and over streams, leading visitors to the base of the tower. The structure itself is a hyperboloid-shaped observation tower, featuring a 650-meter-long spiraling ramp made of locally sourced oak and weathered steel. This design ensures step-free access, making the tower inclusive for all visitors. The tower's unique hourglass shape, with a slender waist and enlarged base and crown, was inspired by the natural landscape. As visitors ascend, they experience shifting perspectives of the forest canopy, culminating in a 360-degree panoramic view from the top platform, which sits 140 meters above sea level. On clear days, the view extends up to 50 kilometers, offering glimpses of Copenhagen and Malmö. The materials used, Corten steel and PEFC-certified oak, were chosen for their durability and ability to blend with the forest environment. The tower's construction was carefully planned to minimize disruption to the forest, utilizing an existing gravel road and a temporary access path. Since its completion, the Camp Adventure Tower has received numerous accolades, including a nomination for the prestigious Mies van der Rohe Award in 2022. It stands as a testament to the harmonious integration of architecture and nature, offering visitors an unforgettable experience while preserving the ecological integrity of the Gisselfeld Klosters Forest.